I have been joined by Congress's Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Pratap Singh Bajwa. Mr. Bajwa, 12 MPs from Rajya Sabha, mainly from the opposition, has been suspended. Many are your colleagues, sir.
Very unfortunate news. On the very first day, when we would be ushering into a new year, just a month later, this kind of this seems to be in really bad taste. See, the members of parliament are representative of the people of India. Whatever the problems of the people are, they will definitely bring them to the forum of this house. Has BJP not been doing a similar thing when they were in the opposition? I remember late Arun Jaitley ji saying that whatever ruckus is created, either in the well, it is a democratic right of those political parties. Nobody was physically harmed. So we have a right where the very livelihood of people is involved, where crores of our, lakhs of our people are sitting on the borders of Delhi. What else do you expect us to do? We can't be sleeping in our homes. We have to safeguard the interests. The sentiments of the people have to be ensured that they are safe. So if in that kind of circumstances, something has gone wrong, and that also you are taking a decision when a new session has started. This could have been done in the last session. So that means that you are trying to stall the parliament once again. The government itself does not want the parliament to function.
So,
This is strategy of this
so
government.
what will be your major demands now?
Our major demands are firstly, get rid of what you have done. These 12 MPs that they have said we are taking action is very, very unfortunate. This should have been, if it had to be done, it should have been done in the last session, not now. Number two, we are fighting for the cause of the farmers. The Prime Minister must ensure a legal MSP to the farmers of India. That is what we are fighting.